Your concrete is an enormous investment. If not raised or stabilized properly, you could end up having to replace it, which can cost thousands of dollars. Concrete raising, deep injection, void filling, and stabilization are highly technical services. Putting your trust in a company not completely dedicated to specializing in these services puts your concrete property and money at risk. We're part of an industry full of companies rebranding, polylift startups, and others looking to add concrete raising to a list of other services like concrete coatings or waterproofing. The fact is, these multi-service providers are not concrete raising specialists. As Chicagoland's original polyurethane concrete raising and stabilization specialists, our company focuses on a single expertise: polyurethane injection. Our SmartLift system is a unique combination of specialized equipment, material, services, all providing you with the greatest possible value. You should not settle for anything less than the longest lasting and best looking repairs. Concrete raising services are only as good as the equipment utilized and the people who operate it. The SmartLift system is composed of specially selected components which ensure the best repair possible. By using advanced air-purged injection equipment, our high airflow injectors promote better material spread beneath the concrete. Better spread means better support. Air purging also allows precise lifts without having to re-drill your concrete. Other companies cut corners by utilizing mechanically purged injectors. They do so because those are easier to maintain and cost less. Our customized and advanced system also allows us to monitor the mix ratio at the point of use. This unique feature allows our technicians to ensure a proper mix of material throughout the project. Other, simpler, less advanced systems leave operators completely unaware of potential problems. Once those operators become aware of a problem, it is often too late and after the project is complete. With a wide variety of specialty materials, we equipped the SmartLift system to handle a multitude of issues. We use lifting foams designed for the heaviest of slabs, which meet the compressive strength requirements for highways. In addition, our deep injection materials are specifically formulated to displace groundwater and stabilize subgrades. This is extremely effective in repairing failing seawalls along rivers and lakes. Our company also has special void filling and stabilization foams that are manufactured to perform with a slow reaction time. This product fills empty spaces and provides support without lifting or displacing the slabs. The SmartLift system begins by using highly trained and certified technicians, not salespeople, to estimate and evaluate a project. A common weakness of multi-service companies is inexperienced salespeople quoting a repair. Far too many projects result in failure because of proposals written by salespeople lacking long-term, hands-on experience. It is impossible for salespeople who lack field experience to foresee the many factors that are involved with highly technical and specialized repairs. The SmartLift system provides specialized training along with continuing education for all its field staff, including estimators. We equip and professionally train our experienced, factory-certified technicians to properly evaluate all projects from start to finish. When you choose the SmartLift system, you don't just get the best equipment, materials, and service, you get the protection of Estimate Guard. Estimate Guard is our promise to provide the very best overall value for your project. If you think you have an offer with a better price or warranty, Acme Concrete Raising and Repair will meet or beat that offer guaranteed. See our website for complete Estimate Guard details and information on how you can be absolutely confident you're getting the best overall value for your money.